Hey everyone, this is Kunal from Think Digit, and today we have the Xperia Z2 from Sony. We will be talking about the build and design of this new flagship smartphone, which was launched today in India. Coming from the Z1, the Z2 doesn't have a huge difference in the design. It has the same omni-balance design by Sony, which comes with a metal frame in the center, sandwiched between two layers of glass in the front and back. It has almost the same dimensions as the Z1, slightly slimmer and slightly taller, and weighs a bit less. The display, which Sony has said that is improved, offers slightly better viewing angles than the Z1. Now it's a 5.2-inch Full HD display, which means the pixel density has slightly gone down, but overall it doesn't make a huge difference to the human eye. Uh, let's look at the back. You can see that the glossy back is again, a fingerprint magnet. This is not, a good thing because if you have sweaty palms like me, you tend to have a lot of fingerprints and smudges all around. Uh, the the 20 megapixel camera is back with the same sensor and the G lens with Exmor RS technology and Bion sensor, which is Sony's patented technology in smartphone cameras. There is a single LED flash, and this time the camera supports 4K video resolutions, which means that you can shoot in Ultra HD resolution. You have the NFC logo over here again, which means that you can transfer data or connect to NFC devices. The shiny Sony and the Xperia logo, as always. On the side, this time we again have the dock connector, and you can also use the magnetic port for charging the device. Sony has now removed the two flaps and just put one flap. We have the micro USB port and the micro, I think this is the micro SIM slot. Yeah, yeah, there is a tray inside which you can remove and then put it back in. It is a little flimsy and it takes a little time to get used to it, but once you're in there, no problems at all. The new holes for the lanyard have changed from the right to the left. You can attach a strap or anything that you like. The top has 3.5 mm audio jack, which is again waterproof. The hole for the mic for making videos and all. It can record the sounds. On the right, we have again the round power and lock button, which is all chromed up, the volume control rocker, the micro SD card slot. This supports up to 128 GB of micro SD cards. So, expansion is not a problem. And the camera, shutter release button, which can start up the camera application as well. And, you can click pictures quite easily. If you look at the display, as you can see, it's sharper, brighter. The bezels on the sides are actually quite slim. The top and bottom are fairly decent. Uh, you have the front 2MP camera and a bunch of sensors, obviously. If you look closely, there's a slit over here and as well at the bottom. So Sony has changed the speakers to a front dual speaker system. So you have a speaker over here and a speaker over here. So if you're looking, if you're watching videos, if you're playing games, now the sound comes from these two slits, which has the loudspeakers. There's also the notification light inside this slit, although it's not on right now, but you get your notification LED, red, blue, green, I think pink as well, some different colors available. So that is there as well. We are happy with the fact that the speaker has changed. Earlier it was at the bottom on the Z1, which when you held the device like so, you tend to cover the device speaker so that the volume used to reduce a lot. So this time the new speakers on the top and the bottom offer pretty good sound output. So the overall, the design is not bad. It fits well in the hand. But again, the glass back and the front and the metal frame doesn't offer a very nice grip to it. But overall, it definitely gives a big premium feel to it. And coming, from Sony, the design has always been good looking, and for a flagship device, I think this suffices, the whole design and build quality suffices for a flagship device.